Hello, thinking about closing your LLP, Limited Liability Partnership? Understanding the legal process is crucial to ensure a smooth and hassle-free dissolution. In this video, we'll guide you through the key steps, legal requirements, and how Filings Corner can assist you every step of the way. What is the closure of an LLP? Closing an LLP means legally dissolving its operations, settling debts, and distributing any remaining assets among the partners. Once the process is complete, the LLP ceases to exist as a registered entity. Why close an LLP? There are several reasons why an LLP may need to be closed. Voluntary decision. Partners mutually agree to dissolve the LLP. Business inactivity. The LLP is no longer operational. Financial losses. The LLP is insolvent or unable to pay its debts. Court order. Compulsory winding up due to legal issues or misconduct. Failure to file returns. The LLP is struck off due to non-compliance. Legal requirements for closure. To close an LLP, there are several legal requirements. Partners' resolution. All partners must agree to wind up the LLP. Appoint a liquidator. The liquidator handles asset liquidation and debt settlement. Clear outstanding liabilities. Pay all creditors, employees, and taxes. Notify authorities. File for dissolution with the Registrar of Companies, ROC. Publish public notice. Inform all stakeholders and creditors about the closure. Step-by-step closure process. Here's how the LLP closure process works. 1. Decision to close LLP. All partners pass a resolution to close the firm. 2. Draft and sign dissolution agreement. The agreement defines liability settlement and asset distribution. 3. Settle outstanding liabilities. Pay debts, salaries, and clear taxes. 4. Liquidate assets. Sell the LLP's assets and distribute the proceeds among the partners. 5. Notify Registrar of Companies, ROC. File the winding up application and final financials with the ROC. 6. Publish public notice. Inform creditors and stakeholders and allow claims to be submitted. 7. Submit final tax filings. Ensure compliance with the Income Tax Department for any pending returns. 8. Official LLP dissolution. The LLP officially ceases to exist as a legal entity. Time frame for closure. Voluntary winding up. This can take anywhere from 6 months to 1 year, assuming there are no disputes or complications. Compulsory winding up. This can take 1 to 3 years due to legal complexities and involvement of the NCLT. Cost of closing an LLP. The cost of winding up your LLP includes legal and liquidator fees, professional services required for the closure, debt settlements, paying creditors, employees, and settling liabilities, registrar filing fees, official dissolution charges for filing with the ROC, public notice costs, fees for publishing the public notice in the newspaper. How Filings Corner can help? At Filings Corner, we ensure the entire LLP closure process is handled smoothly and legally. Expert consultation, drafting dissolution agreement, debt and asset settlement assistance, complete tax and compliance filings, final ROC filing and public notice. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com for expert assistance with your LLP closure. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.